do a quick and easy updo for the holidays. Starting from the back, I'm going to take each twist and I'm going to fold it over my head so that it is in my face, and I'm going to take a bobby pin to secure it. And we'll turn around and show you what it looks like from the back. Now it's time to twist. This is going to depend on you. I like to twist from the right to the left, but you are going to take the closest twist to your ear and you're going to start twisting around the top of your head, or where your forehead and your hairline meets. As far as how big you want the puff or the bouffant to be, or the look, will depend on how tight you are twisting it. The tighter you twist, the smaller it will be. The looser you twist, the bigger it will be. I like big hair, so I would typically twist mine pretty loose. Okay, now that I have twisted all of my hair, it's time to secure it in the back. Now I'm going to pin up the loose twist in the front. Now it's time to lay my edges. Nothing crazy, just keep it simple. I love this hairstyle because it is simple and elegant, but I also love it because every single time I do this hairstyle, it looks different. Now, for the holidays, you can choose to leave it like this, or you can add some pearls, you can add a hair comb, you can add some poinsettias, something to keep it festive. But this is the finished look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. I will see you later. Bye. Okay, y'all, today I will be showing you just a classic bun or low bun with a twist in the front. I would probably say that this is week-old hair, so I'm going to take the first section. This is going to be with the twist, and we're just going to put that out of the way for a second. Next, we're going to take one of my favorites, my tried and true, the Shea Moisture. We're going to add it to this side right here because we want a little bit of definition when it comes to our waves or when it comes to our curls, and then we want to make sure it lays down. Okay, so now we're going to take all of our hair in the back, and I'm going to turn around to show you. And for most of you, if you've been a part of my community for a while, you know that I do not use ponytail holders. This hairstyle is nothing but bobby pins. So as you see my hand right there, I'm going to take bobby pins and just kind of outline my hand. So it'll kind of be like half of like an oval or a circle, just to give myself a ponytail. Okay, that's what it looks like. So now we're going to start on the left side, or my left side. We're going to part it, and then we're just going to twist. And then we're just going to take it and put it in the back of our head, and we're going to secure it with what else but a bobby pin. Okay, now we're going to do the other side, do the exact same thing, split that section and twist it again. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to take this and twist it back. Let me show you from the back. Just take it and twist it back. And then we're going to add bobby pins to secure it. I typically, just to secure it a little bit more, I just take a bobby pin or two and secure the bottom of it to make sure that the two pieces don't come apart. Now we're going to work on the front twist part. And this can be done so many different ways. This is just the way that I choose to do it. And I'll show you why in a second. So we're just going to take some more of that Shea Moisture. It's the curl enhancing smoothie. And we're just going to lay down that side part. Okay, so as you can see, I'm getting ready to use a couple of bobby pins in the front of my hair, so when I begin to twist, that hair in the back will lay down flatter. And then we're going to go ahead and twist this down. That little piece of hair that you see hanging down, we're going to twist that separately. So just take this piece and do the exact same thing. Then we're going to wrap it around the bigger twist. And then we're going to take it. And those bobby pins that I made to secure or to make my actual ponytail, we're going to put this twist over those bobby pins. That way you won't see them. Okay, now we're just going to fluff and tuck in some ends and some hair that you can see for the twist. That puffy part right there, we're going to go ahead and secure that down. Still a little puffy, so let's go ahead and secure with another bobby pin. Okay, now it's time to lay the edges. I am still working on this, but I think for this video and for the purpose of this video, I did a pretty good job, and I'm not going anywhere today, so it's all right. And I use Eco Styler gel. It is the yellow one with the red top. And then I'm just going to lay down my sideburns really quickly. And finally, this would not be a Mariah Carey video if I did not have some type of hair accessory. So we're going to take that one, and just to secure it, we're going to use a bobby pin. And we are done. Here is that side, and you can see the bobby pin, so I can either take it out or I can fix it. Here's the back, and you see those bobby pins are covered. And then here's the other side. And that's it. Thank you so much, y'all. Bye.
We always have it coming.